Hey there, it's Cheryl, mental toughness coach, published author, speaker, and mother to a couple of amazing kids who happen to be high school and college student athletes. If you're watching this video, it's likely because one of your parents, a coach, or possibly even a friend has asked you to watch it so you can learn a little bit why this course might be interesting or helpful to you. But before we get too much into that, I'm going to let you know something. You have something in common with a world-class athlete. You and a world-class athlete both have to know how to perform under pressure, and you need to know how to do it consistently, whether it's for an exam, a competition, or any type of extracurricular that you might be involved with. Have you ever made a couple errors on a test and then had the rest of the exam not go so well? Or similar in a competition where you make a couple mistakes and then you don't really perform that well for the rest of the competition? That is really, really common, and it's something that I'm going to try and teach you how to learn how to manage a little bit better. So I understand that you work incredibly hard, and a strong work ethic is super, super important. But unfortunately, it's not enough. You need to learn how to be mentally tough so you can perform at your highest level possible, especially when it really matters to you. This won't guarantee, of course, your success, but it will be a really amazing tool for you to have so you can perform at your highest level possible. This course is designed for you, so you can dream, plan, and achieve to the best of your ability, especially in high-pressure situations. It's comprised of an audio portion along with a workbook, and you fill in something called a success chart, so when it's all over, you're going to have a daily and weekly and long-term plan for yourself that you can have readily accessible to you, so you know what to do on a daily and weekly basis in order to make some great progress. So whether for academics or athletics or any other extracurricular, I look forward to helping you become mentally tough so you can do your absolute best. I really appreciate you watching, and I look forward to having you on board.